The World Health Organization has warned European countries not to waste lockdown conditions by preparing for the relaxation of restrictions. The organisation's European director said the continent had recorded more than 29,000 new COVID-19 deaths last week. Authorities are warning citizens not to become complacent, but news that a vaccine could be distributed before the end of the year is raising hopes of bringing the pandemic under control. Oscar Valero reports.
Optimism is flowing through the European continent as the two most promising vaccines may be ready by the end of the year. Pfizer, associated to the German BioNTech, and Moderna are the two companies in a race to get the authorities' approval first. While the speed of this competition worries some analysts, there's great hope as well.
If we do this in dialogue with the authorities, then there's a chance that we can receive approval from the US or Europe or both regions this year. It's possible that we may even start delivering the vaccine in December. But for that, everyone really needs to work together very closely and intensely.
The European authorities are getting ready to agree to a purchase of the vaccines in the market. Brussels also mentions the end of the year.
Emma tells us that conditional marketing authorization, so this is the very, very first step to be able to go on the market for BioNTech and Moderna, could happen as early as the second half of December, if all proceeds now without any problem.
Hit hard by the tourism crisis, airlines turned into cargo businesses. And as the vaccine arrives, companies like Lufthansa are positioning themselves to ferry the drugs. The German airline says it's more than ready to transport it worldwide. Hungary is one country in Europe that already has a vaccine. It bought the Russian version that hasn't passed clinical trials and didn't get the approval of the European Medicines Agency. Budapest is the only European place to have bought it, although initially only 10 doses. Moscow registered the vaccine in August and claimed some days ago that it has effectiveness over 92%. Oscar Valero, Euronews.